Bollywood actor Ajay Devgan's upcoming film Maidan is locked for a June 3, 2022 release. The film is inspired by the true story of Indian football coach Syed Abdul Rahim, who coached and managed the national team from 1950 till his death in 1963 and is considered by many as the man who changed the face of modern Indian football. Directed by Amit Ravindranath Sharma, the film also stars actress Priyamani, Gajraj Rao and Rudranil Ghosh. Maidan is expected to release in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu and Malayalam. The film is produced by Zee Studios, Boni Kapoor, Akash Chawla and Arunava Joy Sen Gupta. The screenplay and dialogues are written by Sevan Kadras and Ritesh Shah respectively. The makers of Ajay Devgan's starrer Maidan and Hyderabad Football Club recently announced a partnership to work collectively with an aim of boosting grassroots football in Hyderabad and rest of the country. Boni Kapoor, who is the producer of this film, talks about the association and says, "Our association with Hyderabad Football Club is the first of its kind partnership in the industry. It is a natural fit as Maidan brings forward the struggles and victories of Shri Syed Abdul Rahim, just the way Hyderabad Football Club has overcome various challenges to rise from where they were in the league with sheer grit and determination." So basically, the partnership is meant to enable in developing and nurturing young sporting talents of the country and also bring to light the unheard stories of the heroes of Indian football. Apart from Maidan, Ajay Devgan also has Gangubai Kathiawadi and RRR. The actor will also be making his digital debut with a web series titled Rudra, The Edge of Darkness. The actor will essay a gritty cop avatar that reimagines the iconic British series Luther for Indian audience. Talking about playing a cop, the Singham actor added, "Playing a cop on screen is not new to me, but this time the character is more intense, complex and dark. What drew me to his persona is that he is possibly the greyest character that you may come across in recent times." Produced by Applause Entertainment in association with BBC India, the Hotstar special series will soon be going into production and will be shot across iconic locales of Mumbai. The series will drop on Disney Plus Hotstar VIP and Disney Plus Hotstar Premium later this year. The web series also stars actress Esha Deol. IANS report.